back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another wig review. Okay, today I will be reviewing this wig right here, Game Changer, in a T1B27. Okay, I already got it out of the package. So we're going to look at the cap construction on this unit. All right. Okay. Very, very, very gorgeous. Okay. It has one comb in the front, one comb in the back, adjustable straps. Okay. Let me go and put this on. I will be back. Okay, I am back. This is so beautiful. The color is gorgeous. I like it. Okay, let's do the 360. The side, bouncy. The back. And the other side. Okay, this is really super duper cute. Okay, definitely can flip it a little bit if you want to create like a little side part. Just flip her a little bit. Okay. And this unit was not much. I think it was like $15 for this gorgeous hair. Worth every penny, honey. Look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Okay, that wraps it up for this wig review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. Also share this video, like, and comment. I would love to know your thoughts on this unit right here. Okay? Thank you all again so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.